Parang may ilaw talaga. Malinis. So small. Why is so small? Ito siya mga ka-chop. Let's try the Chicago hot dog. Wow. So clean, oh. Very clean, like Boracay. Pupunta kami sa Navy Pier. Wow! Kasama ka siya po. Very Philippines. Very mainit. Yan siya. You're not hungry yet?
Not yet. I'll find out.
Hello, it's a little bit far. This one.
Jollibee later.
Ala, Jollibee is a little bit far here. Buti na lang maganda yung sapatos na binili namin. Meron silang butterfly ano rito, oh. Siguro marami, I think there's a lot of butterfly here. And then we are here in Navy Pier. Nice, B. Mainit nga lang mga kachupa. Yes! Ang mga kachupa may naliligo na. Baby, is someone allowed to take a shower there?
Yeah. You're doing it?
That's cool. Galing.
You want to touch the water to cool down?
Am I now?
Yeah.
I don't want to get wet.
If you don't want to be wet, then don't. Yeah, you want to go?
Yeah, because it's so hot here. Kaya mga kasyo, papunta na tayo rito. Wow. That's cool. Parang siyang mall, no? Looks like a mall. It's a little bit dark. Why make it like a dark? No? Wow. Chicago Children Museum. Wow. Why is it a little bit dark?
I love Chicago.
Nakakita na kami ng magnet. Ito maganda, oh. I love Chicago. $7. And then meron silang ganito. Dami mga kachupa, oh. Wow! This one!
Like that one? Red, white, and blue.
This one.
Pick one.
Ano kaya maganda?
That's good too.
Open can. I hear, they have here, oh. This one! Oh.
This one's plastic. It's not as good. You like that one?
Yeah. Maybe this one.
Maybe that one?
What do you like?
It's up to you. I want the metal ones, but if you like this plastic one, we can get the plastic.
This is not plastic. This is rubber.
Well, kind of the same thing.
ganda.
What are you talking about?
I love Chicago. I like this colorful and this one. Or this one.
I'm only getting one. Pick one.
Ganda oh. $8. $9. Ito. Ito. Ano, mga kachupa? Pili!
That one?
Yeah.
Sure?
Maybe they have one over here. Wala na, yun lang. What do you think?
Me, I like.
It's not good.
I feel like this one. We can get this one.
How much? This one is ugly, V. It's not colorful. Medyo mahal, 500 plus mahigit siya. Pero PO, 20% off.
All keychains and magnets. This one then?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go with this one then. This one?
Ito naman yung mga keychain. Chicago keychain. Alam mo mga kachupa, kung mura lang to, binilang ko na yung mga kapatid ko rin, yung mga magulang ko. Kaya lang mga kachupa ang mahal eh. Ano, ang ganda oh. Spoon. Pero pang bukas siya ng ano. Bio, look. Spoon. Is it cold?
I'll put it in the back.
Okay. Mga kachupa, nandito na kami sa pier. Ito siya mga kachupa, oh. Pakita natin, ha. Tour natin sila. Ang ganda ng ano dito. Talagang parang may ilaw yung ano nila, yung lake. Is this lake, right? Yan, meron silang ganyan. Di ba? Parang may ilaw talaga. Malinis.
Singapore, it's so hot too.
Yeah,
I think
this
Singapore is hotter than this.
yeah, this one is good though.
This is okay. Maryland, Chicago.
Punta tayo ngayon dito sa Navy Pier. Let's go. Pero hindi tayo sasakay mga kachupa kasi nahihilo na ako sa mga ganyan. Hindi na ako pwede sa mga ganyan. Pero ipapakita ko lang sa inyo. Wow! Medyo mainit dahil. Kachupa, nandito na kami. Ito lang yung nakita. 1, 2, and then 3. Ito lang. Kaya sabi ko parang konti lang pala. I think it's a lot. I thought it was a lot.
You got the boat ride.
Yeah. I'm not gonna boat ride. I wanna go to the mall. I wanna do shopping.
Let's go to the mall.
So mga kachupa, maganda naman dito kachupa pagka may bata ka. Pero kung oldies ka na, katulad ko, hindi siya worth it. Pero maganda yung mga views. Mga kachupa, bili muna kami ng Chicago hotdog. Kasi nagugutom na kami, masyado na kaming pagod. Chicago hot dog. La, why so small?
It's what it is.
Why so small?
It's fucking over.
Damn.
What
That's,
is it?
what is so small? I think the Quick Trip hot dog is bigger.
Of course.
Thank you, baby. So, ito siya mga kachupa.
Hey, baby, let's go.
Mga kachupa, let's try the Chicago hot dog. Parang putlong lang sa atin. Pero masarap siya. Maybe my pickles just fall down.
Fell down?
Mhm.
Aww.
Ayun, ang itim na yung leg ko. Sarap naman. Budget?
Well,
$7.
mm-hmm.
Tapos na kaming kumain ng hotdog. Very refreshing. Nakakabusog naman siya kahit papano. And then, silipin natin na yung beach nila rito. Ay, mga kachupa, ang ganda. Yun ang mga kachupa ha. Ang init mga kachupa. Yung mga naka-bedding sheet pa para super init. Very hot. Ang dami yung mga naka-2 feet. Ang dami yung mga nakatibak. Yan. Basta marami rin. Maganda rin naka-chupa oh. Malinis kasi yung lake dito.
So,
So,
all the way to Pearson Street. We'll make a left on Pearson. And we should take us all the way there.
init. Parang Pinas. Ayan sila makachupa yung ano, yung buhangin nila. Maganda rin naman ang buhangin nila. Very pino-pino. Pinong-pino. Tsaka yan yung kanila.
On the side of the pool. This is the bike lane.
Let me look. The water is so clean. Look. Nice. They have a fish, oh.
Fish.
Wow, we should go here, B. No, we just bring the tent. No, so clean, no. Very clean, like Boracay. Nice. Next time. Ha?
When we plan for it, yes.
Ang ganda, ang... Pero ngayon hindi kami mag-swimming kasi hindi naman kami nandito para sa swimming. Nandito kami para maggala-gala. Diba? Libutin lang namin yung city. And then next time, pagkapisano na namin, okay na maggala-gala. Pwede nang magdala ng ano, pwede na magdala ng damit, mag-swimming kami. So, alam na namin pa sikot-sikot, diba? Alamin muna natin yung kachupa. Kasi 3 hours ahead lang naman kami dito. Baby, it's so hot here.